Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert reviews of the products you want to know about. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on the Chantecaille Lip Chic in the shade Ceylon, a luxurious liquid lipstick that promises to deliver a rich, matte finish. Let's dive right into how this high-end beauty product holds up. Chantecaille is known for its sophisticated, botanical-infused formulations, and this lip chic is no exception. This product comes in a compact 0.07 ounce tube, and the shade Ceylon is described as a beautiful cranberry hue, perfect for adding a pop of color to any makeup look. Now let's break it down. The formula of this lip cheek is designed for a smooth, matte finish, and right off the bat, I can tell you that it's unlike some of the drier matte lipsticks out there. The liquid formula goes on smooth and creamy, and while the finish is matte, it doesn't feel tight or drying on the lips. That's an important feature if you're someone who loves matte lips but struggles with dryness. In terms of longevity, this lipstick holds up pretty well throughout the day. I found that it didn't fade or feather, which is often a concern with liquid lipsticks. It stayed put for several hours, even after drinking and snacking, though I did need to reapply after a meal to maintain that fresh, vibrant color. As for the texture, it's lightweight and comfortable, almost like you're wearing a balm rather than a heavy lipstick. I think this is the type of product that's ideal for someone who wants that matte lip look without the discomfort that sometimes comes with long wear formulas. However, the color might be a little intense for those who prefer neutral shades. Ceylon is a deeper, berry red hue that could be tricky for some to pull off during the daytime, but it's perfect for an evening look or a special occasion when you want to make a statement. Now, let's talk about the price. Chantecaille's Lip Chic is definitely a premium product, and it does come with a higher price tag than drugstore alternatives. While you're definitely paying for quality, you're also paying for the brand's luxurious image and its commitment to botanical ingredients. Whether the price is justified depends on your personal beauty budget and how much you value luxury beauty products. If you're looking for similar products but at a more affordable price point, there are plenty of other matte liquid lipsticks that offer comparable wear time and texture, though they might not have the same luxury branding or the botanical skincare benefits. Brands like Fenty Beauty and Anastasia Beverly Hills have some excellent, long-lasting liquid matte lipsticks that are more budget-friendly. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sophisticated, and the applicator allows for precise application. It feels sturdy and well-made, which is what you'd expect from a high-end brand like Chantecaille. So who is this lipstick really for? If you're someone who enjoys high-end beauty and wants a luxurious lipstick that delivers a smooth matte finish with botanical ingredients, the Chantecaille Lip Chic in Ceylon could be a great addition to your collection. However, if you're on the hunt for a more affordable option with similar performance, there are plenty of solid alternatives out there. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from Beautyistic. It really helps the channel grow, and we appreciate your support in keeping our reviews transparent and unbiased. If you've already tried the Chantecaille Lip Chic or have another matte liquid lipstick you swear by, drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.